Welcome to the Krueger Library Resource Sharing Service. In this video, we will explain how to request a book from another library. Within resource sharing, when we borrow books and other physical items from other libraries, it is called interlibrary loan. In addition to whole books, you can request a specific chapter from a book. You may find a reference to a book anywhere, on a bibliography and a footnote, as a suggestion by your professor. To verify information about the book, use WorldCat. WorldCat has records for over 1 billion books. If you cannot find it in WorldCat, please ask us for help. When you find the book in WorldCat, click on the book's title, then click on the Borrow button. Once you have logged in with your Star ID, click on the resource sharing link to open the request form. The form allows you to specify if you only want one chapter. The chapter would be sent as a digital file to your WSU email address. When the print book arrives, a notice will be sent to you via email. You can pick up the book at the front desk, or you can request that we mail the book to you. To request mail delivery, reply to the notice with your postal address. If we mail the book to you, we pay the postage. However, if you mail the book back when you return it, you will have to pay the return postage. To view other resource sharing videos, visit our website. To track and renew your requests, follow the My Account link. Do not hesitate to contact us with questions, such as by going to the Chat with a Librarian link. You can also send questions to library@winona.edu. We are here to help.